What's going on, guys? Back today for a quick video. Finally doing the flush mounts on the Grom that came with the TST kit. Also, while we're doing that, going to install the flash relay reducer to make sure the turn signals are working properly. And it shouldn't be too long of a video, it shouldn't be too hard of an install. Everything should just plug and play. So let's go ahead and get that done. That way we can get this portion of the Grom build finished up and then eventually move on to the whole stretch kit. Gotta do a stretch kit, not going for stunting, going for low and stretched out. Make it look fast, even though it's not fast, so it's gonna be all show, no go. So here we are, let's get this done. Start off with the 5mm over here. Get these screws off. I was out riding this thing yesterday. It was warmer out. Springtime here in Pennsylvania, early spring is always hit or miss. It'll be 75 one day, next day it's 50, then it'll be 40 and 60, it's just all over the place. This pops out. Gotta unplug some stuff here. So here, this is the flash rate reducer that we need to swap out. That's just the easy plug and play. The rest, just need to pop these wires off here, unscrew these screws, slide them out, put the new ones on. So let's do that. 8mm here. I'm gonna pop this out here. All right, from here, pop these, rotate that out, which it already is. That. All right, now that it's separated, simply just plug these guys up on those tabs, both sides here. Slide those out. Now here, I'm gonna do this last afterwards, but this is where that relay is gonna go. This plugs right down into here. So let's move this out of the way for now, and we'll mess with these. Here we go, one at a time. 10mm here. This little spacer here, this comes out. That right here. Pull that out through. Take out the little rubber piece, pops right out. All right, so now that we're here, take one of the headlights. I went for the smoked option. Keep it nice and subtle. Also comes in the kit these, I don't know what they are, harness converters, there you go. Harness converters so that they easily plug and play. All we're doing is plugging black to black, yellow to yellow in here, and we just gotta plug them in. So let's do that. Gotta throw on one of the supplied washers. What we're doing is making sure this stays lined up. We're gonna tighten this down on. Make sure this thing nice and even there. About perfect. And from there, just gonna Snug this down. I'm gonna get a wrench. Looks pretty good lined up where it is. Just gotta hook these up in here. Black to black. Just like that. Yellow to yellow. Now, once they're locked in, slide these little sleeves over. I'm just gonna throw a little electrical tape just around, just to keep it in place. Alright, so we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Come back. Alright, so before we mount the turn signals back on, I'm gonna install that flash rate reducer. So all we're doing is unplugging this, sliding that off, take off the rubber piece of the factory one. Alright, so slid them rubber things back on. I'm not sure if I really need to. This one for sure, because it helps hang on this clip right there. It'll help keep it on. This one was just on there, so I just put it back on. Slide this back in. These are labeled right front, left front. So right front's gonna go on this side. First, let's plug these back in here. Rotate that back, lock it into place. This. Same thing with the other side. Alright, now that that's back on, line these back up and we'll plug this in out that wire. Get this wire here. Plug this back in. Put a clip back in there. Alright, we are good to mount this back up. Make sure function check before we button everything up at the very end, just in case something's messed up somewhere. So let's get that back on the bike. And that should be the lights. Now they don't have a running light feature, so they're not going to be on obviously unless I'm using it. So let's hope this works. And there we go. Success. Both sides working. Flash rate reducer is doing its job. Just gonna double check the back real quick. Back is now working as well. All right. Tell you what, guys, that was a simple install. Now we just gotta plug the headlight back in and just screw this back on. We are in business. There we go. right guys, there it is. Pretty quick, pretty easy, all plug and play. Nothing much to it. That's why I got the TST kit, because it just came with everything I needed. It came with all the relay stuff, all the plug and play stuff, all the flash reducer stuff. Everything I needed came in the kit. It just was worth it for me. You might want to go something else, but you know, you have to piece it out more than likely. But the finished product looks pretty good. All right guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the videos, and coming soon we're gonna start doing the moto vlog stuff. Go out, do some cruising, try to get some people to cruise with some Groms or just bikes in general. But I gotta get a Grom crew together around this area. I've seen a bunch of guys before, so I gotta try to connect up with some people, get some footage of just Groms cruising around. I think that'd be pretty cool. All right guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.